Imagine a researcher hunched over their desk, tirelessly working late into the night, surrounded by a mountain of papers threatening to engulf them entirely. Each document holds a piece of a puzzle, a fragment of a larger story waiting to be told. Their mind races, brimming with groundbreaking discoveries, yet the words to explain them seem lost in a labyrinth of jargon and technical terms. They ponder deeply, searching for the perfect way to convey their ideas. This is a scene familiar to many researchers, a struggle to communicate complex ideas clearly and concisely. The frustration is palpable as they attempt to bridge the gap between complex data and understandable language. But what if there was a superpower that could untangle these linguistic knots and illuminate the path to understanding? Imagine the relief and clarity that would follow. This superpower is not found in a lab or a test tube, but in the craft of clear writing. It's a skill that can transform confusion into clarity, making complex ideas accessible. Just as a telescope brings distant stars into focus, clear writing has the power to make intricate research accessible and engaging for all. It turns abstract concepts into tangible insights. It's the bridge between a researcher's mind and the rest of the world, allowing their work to truly shine. Through clear writing, their discoveries can inspire, educate, and make a lasting impact. Why is clarity so crucial in the realms of research? Because science thrives on collaboration, on the open exchange of ideas that propel us forward. When research is shrouded in ambiguity, it becomes isolated, its potential impact severely diminished. As Albert Einstein famously said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Clarity forces us to distill our thoughts, to identify the core principles of our work, and to present them in a way that resonates with others. So how can researchers hone this vital skill, this superpower of clear writing? It's not just about putting words on paper, it's about communicating ideas effectively. It begins with a shift in perspective. We need to see our writing through the eyes of our readers. Instead of writing for ourselves, we must write for our audience. Consider what they need to understand and how best to convey that information. Imagine explaining your research to a friend or family member outside your field. This helps in simplifying complex concepts. Break down complex ideas into digestible chunks using vivid metaphors and relatable examples. This makes your writing more engaging and easier to follow. Embrace active voice, short sentences, and strong verbs. These elements make your writing more dynamic and clear, and don't underestimate the power of feedback. Constructive criticism is invaluable. Seek out colleagues, mentors, or even friends and family to read your work and provide honest critiques. Their insights can help you refine your writing and make it even more precise. From lab to living room, extending the reach of research. When researchers master the art of clear communication, the impact is profound. Their discoveries and insights can transcend the confines of the laboratory, reaching people from all walks of life. Suddenly, their work is no longer confined to the pages of academic journals, but can reach a wider audience, sparking curiosity and inspiring the next generation of thinkers. This dissemination of knowledge can ignite a passion for science in young minds and foster a culture of lifelong learning. Imagine the possibilities when scientific breakthroughs are understood not just by a select few, but by everyone. The democratization of knowledge can lead to more informed communities and a greater appreciation for the wonders of science. This is the true power of clear writing. It transforms research from an exclusive endeavor to an inclusive conversation, bridging the gap between the laboratory and the living room, between experts and enthusiasts. It fosters a shared understanding and a collective enthusiasm for scientific progress. To all the researchers out there, remember this. Your words have the power to change the world. Embrace clear writing as your superpower, and watch as your research takes flight, inspiring minds and shaping the future. Now go forth and write your success stories.